Hello everyone, I am Dr. A. Santhosh Prakash, Department of Mechanical Engineering as an Assistant Professor in JG College of Engineering and Technology. I am going to deliver the topic of renewable energy resources. Let's see, what is the renewable energy? The renewable energy is derived from natural sources that are replenished at a high rate and they are consumed. Unlike fossil fuels, renewable energy sources are sustainable and environmental friendly. Energy from the natural sources, continuously replenished and environmental sustainable and reduced carbon emissions. Next, why renewable energy is needed? The world needs renewable energy to combat the climate change and ensure the energy climate security for the future generation. It reduces greenhouse gas emissions, decrease air pollution, and infinite supply of energy, create jobs and economic growth and energy independence. What are the ways we have the resources means? The solar energy. First of all, we go to the solar energy. The solar energy harnesses the power from the sunlight by means of the photovoltaic cells or solar thermal systems. Most abundant of energy sources, photo panels converts sunlight into the electricity. Heat energy is converted into electrical energy. Thermal sources heat from the sun. It is ideal for the both large scale and residential users. Many of the industries can be also used. This is a zero emission during the operations. Next we go to the wind energy. The wind turbine converts kinetic energy into mechanical energy or mechanical power and it is converted into electricity by means of it have clean and renewable source, offshore and onshore wind farms. Let me see in our Tamil Nadu that the Dindigul and the Tirunelveli we saw the more wind tunnels we have saw when on crossing on the trains or buses. It has a rapidly growing sector of the worldwide, cost competitive with fossil fuels, minimal environmental footprint. And then next, hydroelectric energy. The hydroelectric energy generates electricity by using energy of moving water. The best example is the hydro energy, the Mettur power dam. It can be most widely used as a renewable sources. Dam stores in the waters in the reservoirs, reliable and constant power, can provide flood control also. Long operation and lifespan can be increased. And then the geothermal energy. The geothermal energy taps in the heat from the beneath the earth surface, uses the earth internal heat available 24/7 regardless of the weather. The small land footprint, heating and electricity generation, highly reliable based on the power. Next, biomass. The biomass energy is produced from the organic materials like plants, woods and waste of vegetable waste. Daily we can eat the vegetables, daily we have to cooking in our food in our home. By using of vegetable waste, we can also create the small size of biomass. And biomass, by using the vegetable waste, we use the biogas can be produced. Uses agriculture and the forestry residues, converts organic waste to energy, can produce the heat, electricity and biofuels. Carbon neutral when sustainable management, reduce landfill waste. Next, tidal energy. The tidal energy harnesses the powers of ocean tides to generate the electricity. Highly predictable energy source, uses gravitational pull of moon and sun, tidal barrages and steam generators, high energy density, emerging technology with a great potential. Next, we have the resources of wave energy. Capture the energy from the surface waves on oceans and seas, abundant in the coastal regions. Different technology like that, point absorbers and attenuators, high power potential and minimal visual impact. Still in development phases. These are the development phases. The benefits of the renewable energy. The renewable energy provides a numerous environmental, economical and social benefit to our human beings. It reduces the climate change impact, improves the public health, enhanceable energy sources, Sustainable energy price creates employment opportunities and enhances energy securities. Challenges and the solutions. While renewable energy offers many advantages, there are the challenges that need to address it. What are they? Intermittence solved by energy storage. Initial cost decreasing with the technologies. Infrastructure needs, the grid can be modernization. Whatever the space required means, we have to develop other space can be set up. Location dependency by using the hybrid systems. Material requirements and recycles the programs. The future of the renewable energy is rapidly evolving with the technology evolving and growing global adoption. First one, advanced energy storage of solutions, smart grid technologies, green hydro productions, floating solar of onshore and offshore with wind expansion, AI optimized energy management system. We have 100% goals for energy. What are the global impact? The countries of worldwide are committing to the renewable energy to meet the climatic change as a first one, Paris Agreement commitments, net zero emission targets, renewable energy investment growing, and developing nations leap forging to clean energy, international cooperation increasing, and renewable capacity exceeding fossil fuels. We go to the conclusions. Renewable energy is essential for sustainable future. By transitions of clean energy from the environment, we can protect our planet and our human, create economic opportunities, and ensure energy security for future generation. Multiple renewable sources available, technology is improving rapidly, costs are becoming competitive, and globally transitions is underway. Every action counts. Is there any feedback? You may mail us. Thank you.